Welcome to entryleveljobs.ai. Are you looking to start your tech career but don't know where to begin? Whether you're fresh out of school or switching careers, Entry Level Jobs is here to help you land that first job fast. In this video, we're showcasing real entry-level opportunities that you can apply for today. I have 2 opportunities for you today with Jellyfish.co. Jellyfish.co is a platform that helps companies manage and measure the performance of their software engineering teams. It connects to tools like Jira and GitHub to provide insights into how engineering work aligns with business goals. They are looking for a web developer. This position is full-time and remote, and in this role, they are looking for a creative, detail-obsessed, and results-driven web developer. As a web developer with Jellyfish.co, you'll own the website experience, architecture, functionality, speed, responsiveness, accessibility, and everything in between. You'll partner with design and marketing teams to build seamless, conversion-optimized, on-brand digital experiences. You'll translate business goals and user needs into web functionality that's simple, elegant, and powerful. You'll optimize performance and SEO, ensuring their web experience is fast, discoverable, and scalable. You'll collaborate with content, product marketing, and demand gen teams to bring new product launches, campaigns, and thought leadership to life. You'll maintain a strong pulse on web technologies, trends, and tools, and proactively recommend improvements. You'll support A/B testing and analytics setup to drive continuous experimentation, learning, and improvement. And you'll build cross-functional partnerships across marketing, design, product, and sales. To excel in this role, you'll need strong front-end development skills, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Next.js. You have experience developing interactive animations and micro-interactions using CSS3, JavaScript, and libraries like Lottie for enhanced user engagement. You have experience working in WordPress. You have a sharp eye for UX, UI best practices, and responsive design principles. You have a passion for building sites that load fast, rank well, and feel intuitive to navigate. You're comfortable working in a fast-paced environment and shifting priorities and high-end expectations. You have experience working closely with design systems and collaborating across disciplines. And it will be a bonus if you have 5 or more years experience building websites for D2B, SaaS, or developer-centric audiences. It's a bonus if you take pride in crafting pixel-perfect experiences. You bring an ownership mindset, proactive, resourceful, and eager to figure things out. You're energized by feedback, iteration, and collaboration. You have a builder spirit. You embrace ambiguity and see it as an opportunity to grow. And you believe great work happens when talented people work hard, trust each other, and have fun along the way. So if you're interested in this role with no degree required, go ahead and apply. Jellyfish.co is also hiring for a full-stack engineer. This position is also full-time and remote, and they're looking for a full-stack engineer who have or are interested in building a SaaS product using React, TypeScript, Django, and Python. You'll design and plan and implement key features as part of a highly effective agile team. You'll rapidly deliver value for their customers by pushing features to their AWS-hosted SaaS environment daily with automated CI and CD pipelines. You'll provide technical and product expertise within your team and across the organization. You'll communicate effectively about project status and technical issues. You'll participate in your team's agile process and work to continually improve your team's capabilities. You'll provide support to production operations of the jellyfish product, and you'll actively participate in a culture supportive of growth and inclusion in your team. To excel in this role, you'll have experience building SaaS products with a focus on full stack development. You have strong skills in TypeScript and Python for building production software systems using React and Django. You have worked on or interested in a growth stage startup. You're great at asking questions, figuring out what needs to be done, building consensus, and executing. You love learning new things and teaching others what you know. And you have strong communication skills and enjoy teamwork. Again, no degree is required for this position, so if you're looking for a full stack role, this is for you. So go ahead and apply. Last, we have an opportunity with Wiser Brand. Wiser Brand is a New York-based digital agency that helps businesses grow through services like software development, digital marketing, IT consulting, and customer support. They work with companies in industries like e-commerce, healthcare, and fintech. They are hiring for an email marketing specialist with a deep expertise in Klaviyo. This position is full-time and remote, and they're looking for someone who has 3 or more years of experience in email marketing with a strong focus on e-commerce. You have a deep expertise in Klaviyo, including automation workflows, segmentation, A/B testing, analytics, and integrations. You have proficiency in analyzing campaign performance metrics and deriving actionable insights. You have ability to develop and execute data-driven email strategies tailored to client goals. You have experience with advanced segmentation and personalization techniques to optimize campaign relevance and performance. You have proven ability to juggle multiple projects, and you're proficient in English. It's a major plus if you have familiarity with HTML CSS for emails. And in this role, you'll be designing and implementing comprehensive email marketing strategies tailored to clients' needs, focusing on engagement, retention, and sales growth. You'll plan and create and execute email campaigns using Klaviyo, including newsletters, promotional emails, and automated workflows. You'll collaborate with designers and copywriters to produce compelling email content that aligns with brand messaging and client goals. You'll develop advanced segmentation strategies to deliver highly personalized and relevant content to target audiences. You'll monitor key performance metrics and provide actionable insights for continuous improvement. You'll work closely with clients to understand their goals and provide strategic recommendations for their email marketing initiatives. You'll mentor junior team members as the department grows and contribute to building a high-performing email marketing team. And you'll stay current with the latest email marketing trends and explore new tools or techniques that can enhance campaign performance. You'll have flexible working hours, paid vacation and sick leave. They'll help you manage your taxes and accounting. You'll have career and professional growth opportunities. You'll have optional benefits package that includes health insurance, gym membership, English courses, and compensation of certification, courses, and training. And you'll have a creative and lively team of IT specialists, adequate management, and zero unnecessary bureaucracy. So if you're looking for an email marketing specialist role with no degree required, this position is for you. And if you're looking for the skills you need to become an email developer, front-end developer, or anything in web development, CodingPhase is for you. At CodingPhase, they teach you the web development skills you need to land high-paying jobs just like the ones shown here today. And if you're looking for more job opportunities just like these, head over to entryleveljobs.ai, where you'll find hundreds of legit entry-level roles updated regularly. And don't forget to like this video and comment down below what kind of job positions you'd like to see next. See you on the next one.